forecast just a couple days before Thanksgiving. Obviously, folks want to know what the weather's going to be like then, but talking about it now, we are talking about some rain today, Jackie.
Yeah, we're going to be tracking that soaking rainfall through much of the day today, and that's the reason why we did make today a DMV first warn day. We know a lot of people are going to be traveling today, and we're going to be tracking the rain and the wind through our afternoon and evening. Could even see some wintry mix over towards the mountains region. Already starting to notice a little bit of that on the radar as well. This could lead to some slick travel for our higher elevations. Steady to heavy rain really holds off till later today, so we'll likely see the light rain showers continue to progress across the region through the morning and then turning a bit more moderate by midday before eventually we notice that heavier rain sliding in later on this evening. That radar map now starting to notice more of that green being pushed in from the south and west. There's a few of those rain showers now being thrown in to the DC metro area, now into parts of Maryland over towards Rockville, as well as southern Maryland. Finally starting to notice some of that wet weather pushing through. Now we're also noticing along some of those higher elevations a little bit of that light pink popping up on the map as well, and that would be that wintry mix starting to pick up as well for those higher elevations where it is a little bit colder, which is why we do have some winter weather advisories to talk about. That's right along the northern and central Virginia Blue Ridge Mountains. Those are included in that winter weather advisory. That goes until 10 a.m. this morning. This is where we could see some light ice accumulation that could lead to some slick travel. Back over towards western Maryland, parts of West Virginia, that goes until 1 p.m. this afternoon. Like I mentioned, could also see some of that light ice accumulation associated with some of that wintry mix as well, and some freezing rain possible. Temperatures right now upper 30s to low to mid 40s. Yes, it's going to be a cold rain through the day today. That rain overspreads the region by midday, looking at that rain across much of the area, and then turning a bit more on the steadier side by middle of the afternoon. A few pockets of some heavier rain starting to pop up. So get towards later on this evening, between 7 and 10 p.m. is likely when we see the heaviest of that rain moving across the DMV from west to east. This is as that cold front swings through and then finally slides out a little bit after midnight tonight. There could be a lingering early shower tomorrow morning. Aside from that, should be drier and breezy, but out there today really not ideal for any of those travel plans. Definitely want to make sure that you are being a bit more cautious, taking it much slower, especially later on this evening after sunset. Sunset's at 4:50 p.m. and with that, and with the heaviest rain slated a little bit after that, it's going to be tough to really see, especially any of those puddles on the roadway, and also tough to see any of the areas with some isolated flooding. So again, make sure that you are being certainly a bit more on the cautious side. But tomorrow and Thursday looking much better. Thursday on Thanksgiving looking nice out there, mainly sunny. High temperatures will be back into the mid 50s, which is seasonable just in time for the holiday. Here's a view of the rest of that 8-day outlook for the 8 o'clock hour. Thanksgiving looking great as we get towards Friday, Black Friday, if you're heading out shopping. We're talking about those temperatures eventually rising back in the low 50s under a mix of sun and clouds. Upper 40s and cooler Saturday, right around 50 on Sunday. A chance for some showers late at night. Aside from that, a few mountain showers out there on Monday, but should be dry and cooler next Tuesday. Shanika, how are those roadways this morning?
Right, so let's head out.